Hey guys, so I'm on my way to get Rohan from work, and then we're going to be heading off to Costco to do our shop. So hope you enjoy shopping with us.
Nice beautiful day. What the heck is that? Oh, there's a helicopter behind me. Can you see it? Where is it? Over there. You don't think it should be busy today?
Well,
You got your
blinds are here. I think it's blinds.
You got your Costco card. Blinds.
Blinds.
They come already?
Blinds.
They come already?
I don't know, let me look. Should I think it's blinds?
If that's the case, then boy, that's way early. Not complaining, but it's the blinds that we were telling you guys we've ordered, and they ain't supposed to come until sometime next week. And just had a text to say it was been delivered, so we'll see. Let's see. So there's a queue. Oh no, there ain't.
Costco. What was this delivered? Okay.
Well, I tell it. Boom, bang.
Can I turn it round to the other side?
Is it long? Yeah, that's the blinds. That is the blinds.
Okay.
Yes, the blinds have arrived, and they ain't supposed to be arriving as yet. It's the blinds. They ain't supposed to come till next week.
Yeah, it ain't supposed to come till next week, so that's good.
I guess we got bigger blinds to go again.
Looking out for my
Flowers.
flowers. Okay guys, so now we're in Costco.
I just got a wipe to wipe my hands. They're at the door.
Well, I've
Wipe
got
off the germs.
gel in my bag anyway. Ooh. Do you know what? Do they sell desks in here?
What?
Desks. Seriously,
I've been desk in my car.
I've been waiting for a desk for about 4 weeks now, and I'm really getting frustrated. I really need to be able to get to work.
No desk is going in my car to scratch it up.
Listen, if I find a desk in here, it's coming.
Hey, look, there's a vase for flowers.
Oh, I might need that. Yeah, I do, for the new ones. So I'm gonna look at this one, shall we? So I picked up that, but that will look so nice with the flowers now.
Yeah, that's that.
Yeah.
Come on, let's just
So look, there's pots and pans there.
We just get in the water.
But can I just say, look, there's pots and pans there. Oh, I like that. Look at that.
We literally ain't got no.
Look at that. Look.
Not much.
Yeah, but look at that. Splatter
What the
screen
heck is that?
to put on top of your saucepan so it doesn't splatter, like spray the food.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly. See.
In the fireplace. Oh,
That's beautiful. It's cheap. Yeah, if we put the TV on the wall.
Remember, there's a radiator there, you see, so it wouldn't. Yeah,
nice.
there's a radiator there.
Take it off. You know you can unscrew them if it's not in use, Bubs. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, so pretty in the hallway. So pretty. That's what we're looking at, guys.
Nice roses. Come on, let's just get a juice.
Wait, can I just see something? I'm sure this is a desk. Oh, it's a mirror.
Even these look nice.
Yeah, they do. Right, that would look nice in the hallway, actually. How much is it? Oh, I really like that bar stool. Yeah, it's nice. Very nice. Very nice, guys. Oh, so do they sell desk chairs then? They do, don't they? I saw one there.
Probably do.
Really want a desk. I need to be able to work easily, and it's just not happening right now. And today, like, I had to put the laptop in front of the computer to do my work. It's that thing at the gym that goes that vibrates you. Okay,
We're gonna get
so
some
far-
putty. Where's the putty then, brother?
I think they're on
the
the
other
next ones. So far, that's what's in our trolley, and that's good for us.
She's sticking to the list.
Literally. I'm not. It's you. I'm trying to get things. You're running off.
It's this one. It's this one. That's what I'm saying. You're sticking to the list, isn't it? As in,
Yeah, because you don't want me to buy certain things. You're being a hater.
The lamb one that we got last time.
Yeah, they were nice, weren't they? You're being a hater. So this is what we're getting. We'll get a few. Ow! Like I just cut myself. Get a few boxes. Three. How many? 4?
3.
6, 12, 18, 24. There you go.
We're in a budget, you know, darling.
Oh, can you just close the freezer, please? Hurry up. It's domain. It's really dark in here. Is that rice? No, it's dog food.
No, I'm just trying for the lighting to get in it. So we're actually at the checkout. We're checking out, darling.
I want to see how much it's going to be. Because I normally can't spend under £100. So let's see if it's less than £100.
Yeah, because anytime she goes to Costco, it's over £100,
Be quiet.
which is a lot of money in pounds money.
Why don't you just start putting something on it?
Oh yeah, I am, man, putting the stuff in the trolleys.
How much me? £82.
£18.
82.
I'm only joking. She looked like what? £82, so it's under 100, I guess. So we got what we got in there. Fish. Got birthday tomorrow, dinner, some patty, some blah blah blah, and we're out.
So basically, last time we came with the kids, and they kind of said to us that, you know, next time you come, don't bring no kids. So this time we've made sure we haven't brought them with us. And we've just heard them saying to somebody else that you can't have any kids either. So I'm glad that we didn't bring them this time. This is dinner tonight. Get closer. For what? To open it. He wants to open the car, guys. I'm just going to put my bag down. Purse, bag, whatever. Quickly. And then we're going to unpack. It is so sunny today, guys. Look, it's like I'm in a different country. Look at the sky. Absolutely beautiful. Lovely. And basically, I don't know what was rolling around in our boot, but it was so irritating. I'm hoping it's more firm now.
It's the engine
Some
coolant.
stuff in there.
It's the coolant.
Oh, well, we need to change that.
Yeah.
But I can't wait to see my flowers. They're supposed to arrive today, and they're not. And guess what, guys? It's actually my birthday tomorrow. Well, I keep forgetting.
Yeah.
No, I keep forgetting, and then I remember, oh, it's tomorrow. It's actually come round quite quickly as well, hasn't it? Let's get in. Actually didn't take too long to pack away either. Okay. So, can you see me? Oh, I might as well get this car started, guys, because it's pretty hot and I want the aircon on. Here he comes. Oh, sorry, I put my purse on your chair.
So, homeward bound. Next time you see us by Magic, we will be home. Magic! We've just pulled in and there's a lot of stuff in the boot to take upstairs. And sadly we have no lift. So it's all back work taking all them stuff upstairs. You gonna be helping me, darling?
No, I'm just gonna go up and just relax in the balcony now.
I guess they ain't gonna go upstairs then. I might, when she goes upstairs, I just drive the car upstairs.
Yeah, good luck. Good luck.
And she's wishing me good luck, you know, like I can't do it.
Bag?
What bag?
My bag.
So, by magic, everything would be upstairs. Yeah, so I'm sweating. And I didn't even carry everything up. I cheated. I left 2 boxes of drinks and half of the water. I only took like a few of it, 1 box of that, and a little bit of stuff. The rest is staying in the car as storage, because kind of like limited in storage up here though still, but technically it's because I'm tired and I'm out of breath.
Hey guys, so as we were saying earlier, our blinds for the kids' room have actually arrived early, so we're going to actually put them up right now. And
Here's me.
Me and you.
You're going to actually do it as well?
Well, I helped you, don't I? You could give me that credit, you know. If it wasn't for me, you probably wouldn't even know about the instructions. So, well, you don't even follow instructions anyway. Okay, so this is the window in question. The children's window. Oh, and if you can see, guys, I got some it's like a privacy sticker from my neighbour, and it actually leaves like rainbow patterns, and I thought it was quite cute, so I put it on their window. But yeah, it leaves little pretty rainbows in the daytime. You're looking at me, why? You got something there.
I always got some kind of fluff in my hair somewhere.
Alright, get to work, my lovely.
These blinds weren't meant to come till sometime next week.
But blinds to go have surprised us again. They're brilliant.
Hey, it's somebody's birthday.
Blinds to go.
33.
Somebody's birthday. Oh my gosh.
That's
I'm
you.
33 tomorrow.
That's somebody's deliver. Oh, that's Sabrina. Sabrina told us someone's coming to deliver something.
Yeah. Better go get the door, hey?
Oh.
One moment, guys. Looks like I have a surprise delivery coming. I'd laugh if it wasn't for me. Hiya. Hiya. Come in. Hi.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Oh, they're so pretty. Thank you. Did you come from far?
From Southwest.
Gosh.
It's not that far to go.
An hour?
How are you doing? Okay?
I'm okay.
Thank you for your birthday.
Thank you. It's so
I've got
pretty.
it.
Thank you very much.
Literally dropped it in the cupboard.
Oh, thank you. I know, and then you got the...
How do you do it?
Don't ask. Alright then, thank you. Wow. Wow. It's pretty. So guys, this is what has just arrived.
You are way more energetic than I remember.
Hey. So pretty. I so love them. So they've arrived for tomorrow for my birthday. And I'm so excited. I'm so happy with them. So beautiful. So shout out to my friend Sabrina for sending me these all the way. The lady just drove all the way from South London, all the way to North London to bring these balloons, and also a bottle of rosé wine, as she knows rosé is my favourite. Bless you, Sabrina. Thank you.
Yeah, so carrying on.
Okay, so I'm back in the room, ready to help you with this.
Let's get the curtains out of the way. So, should I push it right back? Or?
No, as we've learnt, we like it more towards the front, isn't it? Not
Can't go too close to the front
too close.
because the mesh is here.
Yeah,
as
I
usual.
understand, but not right back.
And we still don't have a pencil.
Oh, you and pencils, I don't understand. You come to do your handiwork, but you just can't be bothered.
But you're my assistant.
No, there's no assistant going on
you
here.
are.
Sorry. Right, guys, so as you can remember, that's where we put it. And I'm hoping this takes like 20 minutes. Because, what's going on?
What?
Why are we twisting? And can you please not stand so like on the window like that? Can you close the window at least? It's making me nervous. Supposing you lean on it and fall out the damn window.
You know I can't fall out the window. The window's on a latch.
Yeah, what if you're heavy enough to break the latch? Which I think you are.
Then you can sue the people then.
No, they'll be like, why was he standing on the window with the window open?
Fixing the blind. No?
No. It's better close the window.
No.
Is this the other drill now? Did you just get dust in your eye? Let's see your eye.
No, I'm good.
Oh.
As you
Like
know,
you was crying.
we don't like to mark out. I hate.
Who's we?
Me and
We
you.
speak for yourself once again.
I don't even
Me,
have.
I would mark it out properly.
I don't even have my screwdriver. So by magic, I'm gonna go get my screwdriver. There you go, magic. I've got a red screwdriver. Not that the color makes any difference anyway. So, got my screwdriver and really hoping that this is quick. So that we kind of know what we're doing.
Should be quick. I mean, Blinds to Goes deliveries super quick.
And I got a little spirit level in this thing. Stay where you at. Just making sure that we're straight as usual. Ain't it, darling?
Well, I'm surprised you're even doing that because you
According to this, straight. How it looks to you, darling?
straight.
Everything's straight around here. Ah, ain't it, darling?
Yeah, when you keep bragging about straight, then it'll be bent.
See you?
It's bent now, isn't it?
No. I need to pull it back out so I can get the hole correctly. Remember, this is not how to really put up a blind. This is how the Gordon family does it. So.
No. Remove my name from that. Not the Gordon family. That's how you do it.
No.
Me, I do things properly. I might not use wall plugs, but I do the holes properly.
Oh, jeez.
Did you
It's
just?
more power. I never used this one before.
Why do you need more power? I think we're gonna. You see? You broke the drill.
No.
You broke it.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, it's broken.
Not broken.
Broken, guys.
Okay.
Is that your drink on top of the wardrobe? Okay. This is the girl's little cute games and I don't know.
Okay, I put it on number 2, which is that powerful. Shouldn't really need that.
Look at the sun rays, that's so pretty.
A bit thirsty. All this dust make Iron Man thirsty.
Get on with it.
What? Don't be rude.
Say pardon. Don't say what.
But I'm from foreign.
Where's foreign?
Jamaica.
Are
I am
you
a foreigner.
sure?
Yeah. I is a foreigner. Okay, so that's holding. Grounded. Firm.
And deep in the
Okay.
saviors.
As you know, I don't really mark out nothing, so I really and truly have to put this on it to make sure I know what I'm doing.
Oh, I thought you'd already done it. I was going to say, what? It's done.
My magic. I haven't started it yet, darling, so magic now work yet. Okay.
Have you got your pencil?
No, I don't have pencil, darling.
Oh
you know, so
my gosh.
you know, so we don't work with the pencil on here. Alright. So my spirit level, I say.
No, definitely not.
Bubs, I'm just testing it out. I know. I'm made a builder on here, you know.
Cowboy builder.
Yeah, called cowboy builder. You know the manners.
I've got plenty of manners. I used to go back.
Yeah, I know. So, just give me a little time, man.
But last time you said, you know, you needed the second person's opinion to know if it was straight or not.
But me
So
tell you when
I'm doing my second person job.
But me tell you when me need it.
No, it's alright. I'll tell you.
No.
No.
How does it look from which part you there?
It's good.
Alright. Me look good from there, that's good. Yes, people.
Alright, so by magic they will be hanging.
Yeah. By magic, we're gonna be completed. Ready? Steady, go. Ta-da! I think they're in. It's all centered, I think. It's just to roll it down. Whoa!
Let's not fall off the ladder, please.
I almost fell off the ladder.
Alright, so you're going to roll them down now, are ya?
Yeah.
They don't work.
Huh?
I'm joking, you need to take the...
I know. They don't work. Oops. It's almost fell outside.
You see what I mean? Can you just...
Not me. A piece of paper almost fell outside.
Oh, hallelujah. Oh, they're beautiful. I am super happy with those. I'll show you how they look properly in a bit because we're actually in the tight corner of the girls' room right now. Their dressing area, as we call it. They've got their two wardrobes here. And one of them likes to hide in the corner to get dressed. Yeah, lovely. I'm happy with those. Very happy.
You are?
Very happy.
Very happy, sure?
Happy. Uh-oh.
No, it's alright.
You're going to put that safety thing on, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, right guys, so we will show you what they look like once the room's all back together and tidy, and yeah, I'm happy with these blinds. I'm so happy. We've only got one more set left to arrive now, which is the living room balcony doors ones, and they're a bit, we went for a bit more stylish ones in there because that's our living room, and when those arrive we will let you know how they go. But yeah, overall I'm extremely happy with the purchase that we made from Blinds to Go, and I would recommend these blinds. We have had roller blinds in the past for the kids room that were from Argos, but they were nowhere near of this standard, so they didn't last very long in here. But yeah, see you soon.
It's too dark.
Okay guys, so what happened was we had the blinds the wrong way around, so you can see this rolling bit. So now the mechanism is actually on that side. We made a mistake, but we rectified it quickly. Yeah, that's true. Who's we? You made a mistake.
I didn't.
But rectified it very quickly, and
I didn't
now
make a mistake.
they're correct, and they're really good. They're nice. just installing the child-friendly business, and then
Yeah, just stop them mucking about with it.
yeah, so they don't get hung in the chain or anything, or they don't play with it. Hopefully, but yeah. So
I've never actually let them see what the chain looks like once it's in, you know.
who?
The people.
Okay.
So once it's in, it's literally like that.
So it just holds on to it.
So it's like that and that. So you can't be
So yeah. So
playing around with the chain.
left to go up, then you pull the right to go down. Up.
Simple as that. So thanks again for watching our little DIY, and hope to see you guys soon again.
See you soon.
Bye bye.
Bye.